Leap into the world of kangaroos. Experience the thrilling life of a kangaroo, nature's most incredible jumper, in the wilderness of Australia. Marvel at their powerful hind legs, designed for high-speed travel and exceptional leaping ability, in slow-motion footage. Discover kangaroos' unorthodox family dynamics, with joeys living in their mother's pouch, providing a unique perspective on parental care in the animal kingdom. Explore the kangaroo's diet, a fascinating mix of grasses, leaves, and bark, and how it contributes to their robust health and survival. Experience the tense, yet mesmerizing, boxing matches between male kangaroos, a display of dominance and power in nature's vast playground. Finally, appreciate their role in Australia's ecosystem and the conservation efforts ensuring the survival of these extraordinary creatures. End your journey with the captivating sunset silhouette of a kangaroo, a true symbol of Australia's diverse and beautiful wildlife.